How to add back button on any iPhone. Hey guys, today I'll show you how to add a back button to any iPhone in just a few steps. Ever wished your iPhone had a back button like Android? Well, there's a hidden feature that lets you do just that. First, open Settings. Then, scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, select Touch. In here, scroll down and tap on Back Tap. This feature lets you assign actions to a double or triple tap on the back of your iPhone. Now tap double tap and choose App Switcher or Back. It usually depends on your iOS version. Once set, simply double tap the back of your phone and it'll work as a back button. Try it out and let me know if it worked for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next one. Bye!